Hi guys, it's your face here, and this is 630 at Hilton Miami Airport, Blue Lagoon. We have stayed there for 2 nights just before our cruise. Here's all our luggage ready for Independence of the Seas. So as you come in, this is a 1-bedroom suite. We upgraded last second. You got an email and we just did it, and we got it. So it's really good upgrade. Really enjoyed the room. You get a TV here. Get one of those signs saying privacy and whatnot. In here you get a mini fridge, but it says you have to use that. You have to speak to them about using it. Then you get a cooler, which really does cool the drinks. Then that's the Miami Airport, and here's the Blue Lagoon. That's a bit of the hotel. You get a really nice sofa here, really comfortable. You get like storage over there. You get storage under here. Another big chair and like a footstool kind of thing. As you come into the bedroom, it is gigantic. Look at the size of this. Really comfortable bed. But we'll go into the bathroom first. Really nice mirror, lots of surface space for like storage and stuff. Full-length mirror. And the bathroom is in here. Shower and toilet. Yeah, you don't get a bathtub with this suite. So yeah, as you come out, bedside table, you get storage either side, get another storage thing here, another TV which does twist, so you can see it in the bed. More storage into here, lots of storage, and a big desk facing the Miami skyline, which is just over there, which is really nice. Big desk. You have, this is the room service menu, lots of options, beverages, drinks, and then this is all the information you need. So this is like the dining, if you want to pause, breakfast, lunch, then the shuttle hours, and then transport to the Port of Miami, parking, and the Wi-Fi is $4.95 a day. Yeah, that's if you want all the information about the eating. Yeah, there you go. Lots of plugs either side. This is really comfy as well. This like moves about. Yeah, really nice size. I've really enjoyed it. So now let's go and see the balcony. So that's all. Oh, I never showed you the wardrobe. You get 2 rows with this one. There's ironing board, iron. We're here pre-cruise, if you need anything ironing, then you just do it on here. And then safe. And those are the 2 rows, but we have used those. Air conditioning in both rooms. There's a little thing here and a thing here. So now let's go onto the balcony. So the thing on the balcony, this is the only 2 seating. How nice the room is, we think the seating could be slightly better. That's only the really thing that we said bad about the room. We've moved them up to here, and I took one of the things out of the lounge and used that as like a seating, because this thing is as you can see, it's kind of like not level. So I took the one over there and brought it outside. It's covered by net. I assume this is for like mosquitoes and bugs. We were watching a thunderstorm yesterday from here, weren't we? Yeah. So there's the airport. We can see the planes lift off. Then you've got the Miami skyline over here, and then you can go and see the pool is around there, and the pool bar, and then you've got like a walkway here where you can go out by the water as well. Pool's really nice. There's a hot tub just around the corner over there. But yeah, it's a really nice room. What would you say about the room?
Yeah, it's really nice. It's nice and spacious. Yeah, it's just really nice, and it's good value for money.
Yeah, so we paid £279.
Yeah.
I don't know what that is conversion to dollars, but we paid £279 and we got...
For 2 nights, that's a steal.
For 2 nights, right by the airport, and we're about to get an Uber to the cruise port. So yeah, this is... Any questions, put in the comments below. I'm more than happy to ask any of the questions you may have about this room or about the hotel. We stayed here for 2 nights, so we have seen a lot. Thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, please press the like button and subscribe to the channel. It's very much appreciated, and it really does help me out. Thank you so much for watching. It's been Shipface here, and I'll see you guys in the next video.